Welcome to this guided meditation in nature, a journey to reconnect with the earth, awaken your senses, and find deep inner peace. Nature has a profound ability to restore balance, clear the mind, and ground your energy. Whether you are outside in a peaceful setting or simply visualizing nature from home, this practice will help you feel more connected, present, and revitalized. Breathe deeply and allow yourself to be fully immersed in this moment. Take a deep breath in and feel the fresh air filling your lungs, and exhale slowly. Inhale deeply and exhale slowly, releasing any stress or tension. Again, inhale deeply, feeling the life force of nature surrounding you. And exhale, letting go of all that no longer serves you. Once again at your own pace. And now slowly bring your awareness to your surroundings. Imagine yourself in a beautiful natural setting, perhaps a lush forest, a quiet meadow, a peaceful beach, or beside a flowing river, wherever your heart feels at home. Feel the ground beneath you, solid and supportive. Whether it's soft grass, warm sand, or the cool earth, allow yourself to fully connect with it. Listen to the sounds around you, the rustling leaves, the gentle waves, or the distant calls of birds. Each sound invites you deeper into presence. Notice the scents carried by the breeze, the freshness of the trees, the saltiness of the sea, the sweetness of flowers. Breathe it in and feeling its calming effect. Imagine the warmth of the sun on your skin, infusing you with energy and vitality, and let it melt away any stress or tension. Feel the gentle touch of wind, reminding you to let go and flow with ease. Hear the water nearby, perhaps a trickling stream, rhythmic ocean waves, or raindrops falling softly. Water cleanses, purifies, and refreshes. Let it wash over you, releasing any heaviness. As you breathe, feel your connection to the earth growing stronger. You are part of this vast, beautiful world. You belong. You are supported. You are whole. And take a moment to send gratitude to nature for its beauty, its wisdom, its endless ability to heal and nurture. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Feel your body, the rhythm of your breath, the peaceful energy within you. Gently wiggle your fingers and toes and take one last deep breath in and exhale fully. When you are ready, open your eyes, carrying this deep sense of calm and connection with you throughout your day. Nature is always here for you. You are never alone. You are deeply connected to life itself. If you enjoyed this meditation, feel free to subscribe to the channel for more inner journeys on the path of well-being. Thank you.